The power rack is an underrated bit of kit for strength development and has several different benefits. First and foremost, the power rack allows you to bail in a lift if things go tits up. This is even more important when you're training by yourself. Now, I know you can bail in a lift without the use of a power rack, however, it just makes it far easier and safer to do so. Using the pins on the rack can be a great way for developing position-specific strength. You can alter the resistance profile of an exercise depending on what you're trying to achieve. This can also be a way of reducing the overall load on the bar and can be a great way of managing fatigue across a training week. If I'm feeling pretty beat up from training, I can still get a good session in without creating more fatigue and stress. The power rack is also excellent for overcoming isometrics. Now, I've covered the benefits and different types of isometrics in other videos. You can check out this playlist here. These can be excellent for several different adaptations, especially for tendons and connective tissues. The pins are also useful for holding feet in place for exercises such as Nordics and various core holds such as front and side holds. The attachments on the power rack also allow you to do various calisthenic movements such as weighted dips, pull-ups, chins and L holds to name a few. The power rack literally allows you to train the full body, and if you use it to its full capabilities, you can achieve great results. If you're setting up your own home gym, you can get a decent power rack for around about £200 to £300. Now, this is very reasonable considering the benefits that it offers. Now, you can check out this video here if you want help on how to set up your own home gym. Let me know in the comments below if you think I've missed any of the benefits or uses of the power rack. Thanks for watching.